iPhone 16e features Ange Super Retina XDR display. The processor powering the iPhone 16e is the The iPhone 16e's rear camera has a resolution of The iPhone 16e lacks the feature found in other iPhone models. The iPhone 16e was officially announced in The iPhone 16's display resolution is The iPhone 16e is designed to support The iPhone 15 Pro features a camera system. The iPhone 15 Pro introduced that The iPhone 16e's starting price is approximately The iPhone 16e offers a battery life of up to 4 hours of video playback. The iPhone 16e is available in color options. The iPhone 16e's front-facing camera has a resolution of The iPhone 16e utilizes thymidem for improved connectivity. The iPhone 15 Pro's display technology is called IQ score calculation. Each correct answer 1 points. Final IQ scoring level ranking. 1. 2-5 E-score 6 to 10. Ice of Ridge 1 to 13 is impressive. 14 to 15 is genius. Comment your IQ level, subscribe, and also watch next part of this video.